Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today a classic, roast duck. Easy, but we cook in Chinese way. Well, we need, of course, we need duck. This is a French duck. We need, I'm gonna do this with you can find in any supermarket, the Chinese spicy, salt, pepper, garlic, and when I have to put on the side when I cook with red cabbage, and I need some flavor when I put the duck in the oven, some carrot, onion, celery, garlic, fresh thyme and fresh rosemary. It's very easy. This I show you later because it's gonna be on the side. But what we need is put the duck in the oven. Gonna cook very slow, around 3.5 hours, 160 degrees Celsius, and easy. We start with some from inside, guys. Okay, we start with some. We put some pepper. Nice, gonna be nice flavor, guys. Okay, because gonna have from inside and from outside. Pepper is good. Now some salt, garlic powder. If you have a fresh ginger, yesterday I'm really forgotten the fresh ginger, and I didn't find the spring onion, but you can use normal onion. Some ginger inside, and now we have this onion, half onion, chop in two and put in. If you have fresh ginger, of course, ginger inside, some fresh rosemary, some fresh thyme, put in orange. I like with orange, you don't have to, or if you like lemon, you can some lemon inside, but orange inside, here I have this, leave it, because we're gonna cover, we're gonna keep all the stuff, this is the skin from the neck, we leave underneath here. Now, the next one is the Chinese 5 spice. It's gonna be a lot, guys, because all duck, take your time, massage well, everywhere, legs, wings, okay? When it's ready this, I show you the next, okay? The duck is completely covered with the 5 Chinese spice. We're gonna cook slow, it's gonna be very nice and crispy and soft inside. Now, usually who cook duck have the tray to cook that because the duck is fat and I don't want any contact with the tray, and I just use my imagination and I do with aluminum foil, stuff like that. I'm gonna put the duck on the top here. I will some veg to give a flavor, just like this. A nice garlic, just cut like this. Oh, beautiful. One here and one here. Later we're going to prepare the red cabbage with sugar. It's gonna be very nice. I recommend you this. Now the duck, like this. Finish with all this flavor because the vegetable is flavor, guys. I like. It's not obligatory, but I recommend you it. Some leek. The oven is already on. 3.5 hours, 160. Later, if I can be more precise, but it's not first time I cook duck, it's orange as well. You can put a little touch of the olive oil, nice extra virgin. Okie dokie, guys. Now 3.5 hours in the oven. See you later, duck. The duck is in the oven. I can show you. Still there, beautiful. The smell is already very nice. Now the red cabbage. This is not obligatory. You can do anything you like. Roast potato, roast vegetable. My partner, she is from Slovakia, and a beautiful country. I say hello to all friends there and family. But they use a lot the red cabbage and with sugar. I like. It's very easy to prepare. Just we take off this. And basically you have to cut like that. Not too thin, but even not too thick. Because when cooked, this one gonna reduce, you know, stuff like that, like this. Easy. When you cut all, if you do the red cabbage, I show you the next step. You know, it was a half big one, but you know, you can make how much you need. Now, oil is on, we put some garlic. Now, the red cabbage going inside, and slowly this gonna reduce, you know. Put lid on, if need water, put water, and when it's reduced like half, because now it's massive, you know, often like this. When it's reduced half, I show you when we're gonna add some salt, pepper, and sugar. It's very simple, but it's delicious. Often when it's like that, just stir it, okay? See you later. And now it's time to add some salt, how much you like, okay? I recommend salt, pepper, black pepper, some garlic powder, mix everything. Always, guys, if you like, share with friends this video, subscribe our channel. If you like, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now we add some sugar as well. How much you like? I'm start with we're gonna caramelize in the end. I'm start with 3 tablespoons, and later you try. If you like more, you put more. If it's okay, just leave it. Stirring very well. Gonna cook like this. In the end, I think gonna cook around hour and a half. Gentle, yeah. It's like that. Leave to cook, and often try if you need more salt, pepper. The duck, I will show you the duck. It's already look like crispy. Oh yeah, beautiful. The smell is amazing, but it's not ready. But anyway, leave there to cook, and see you later when everything's ready and we're gonna try it, okay? See you later. Okay guys, it's 20 minutes out from the oven. The duck is ready, red cabbage. Save some duck fat. The smell is absolutely there. Yeah, I want to show you the noise, how crispy it is. Look. You know? Oh, very nice. Still warm. And guys, the roast duck with red cabbage caramelite is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!